Namaskar. Nowadays, so much of information is available about how to prevent diseases. Among the factors that promotes health, there is one that is not given much importance, and that is good sleep. If we only sleep well, most diseases can be prevented. This sounds easy, doesn't it? Let's get to know more about sleep. Firstly, sleep is the time where your body purifies and repairs itself. This happens at the physical, mental, and at energy level. As the basic cellular level, your body assesses the damage done and starts repairing itself while you are in sleep. Now, how well your body can do this work depends upon how well you sleep. Gandhiji was particular about the quality of sleep. He used to say, each night when I go to sleep, I die. And next morning when I wake up, I am reborn. So, you see, when you sleep better, you wake up refreshed and alert for your day's events. Mother Nature has designed us to sleep for, say, one third of our life. These valuable hours and years are allotted to just sleeping so that our body can carry out three important functions: relaxation, rejuvenation, and detoxification. Good sleep is essential to relax our heart muscles, to release hormones to support growth. Around the world, the researchers have confirmed that there is a connection between quality and quantity of sleep and health issues such as obesity, increased risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and cardiovascular diseases. Studies prove that lack of sleep affects physical and mental health. It can cause a weakened immune system and hormonal imbalance. Sleep disorders also cause lots of emotional control, faulty decision making, and antisocial behavior. So, you may ask, how much sleep my body needs to stay healthy? This depends on how much physical work you do. One day you may do less activities, and on another day you may do more. This should be the deciding factor for how much sleep you should get to restore your energy. In my opinion, it is better to wake up naturally and not with that alarm bell which will jerk you out of a restful sleep. Your body should learn to set its own harmonious cycle of sleeping and waking phases. In modern times, the main culprits to give you sleepless nights are gadgets. If you like to keep up social media updates regularly, one thing will lead to another and you will not have any track of time. Other factors which affect sleep are stress, hormonal imbalances, poor diet, and other health conditions such as chronic pains. To get better sleep, here are few things which you should follow. First and very important thing, turn off all your electronic devices 1 hour before sleep. Keep them out of the bedroom. Drink a glass of warm milk with little haldi because it has sleep inducing property. Keep the lights in your room dim and wear loose, comfortable clothes. Practicing Yastikasana and Supta Bhadrasana in bed can help you relax your muscles. Yogendra Pranayam number 4 is also good for calming the nerves and inducing peaceful states of mind. As you have seen, quality sleep is important because it prevents about 90% of the diseases. It is in your hand to make a few lifestyle changes. Keep away from gadgets before bedtime and allow your body to relax and recover for a good, peaceful sleep. Namaskar.